Hi guys, I'm in Cardiff Bay Premier Inn, and I've booked a Premier Inn Plus room. So let's have a look, shall we? There's a self check-ins. And then you've got your tea, coffees, sugars, etc. available. And you've got your bar area and toilet selfie. Now, don't look too bad. So, got this bit of art on the wall there by Sam Smith, created at the project's Artworks. And then bed. Let's go and check it, shall we? Yeah, looks good. And we've got a bedside tables, a little one with a shelf, and bedside lamps. Nope, that's for turning the lights off. That's in the spotlight there. Headboard with a purple around it. And then I've got another one here, but like I said, this is a table, so this one moves out as well. And then you've got a USB port socket, 3-plug socket, or should I say 3-pin socket. Lights again. Yeah, as that one's not got USB on. And then you've got this footstool with chair, and this is the view over Cardiff Bay. We're on the 5th floor at this Premier Inn. And the curtains look okay. Yeah, and we've got a coffee machine, kettle. Yeah, it's clean. Milks, Earl Grey tea, PG tips, peppermint, 3 mint, and normal PG, and Nescafe normal and decaf. And got little chocolates there. We've got puds. Not sure which ones they are. And then we've got a fridge here. Help yourself, it's complimentary. So you've got 2 bottles of water, sparkling and still. And then we've got the Premier Inn menu. My ex tells you about cooked breakfast, and breakfast and 2-course dinner and drink for $26.99. No actual menu for the actual restaurant then, just for breakfast. And you've got your mirror. Hi guys, don't forget to give a like and subscribe if you haven't already, if you're enjoying these videos. Right, so you've got a plug socket there. You've got a double plug socket there. And another lamp. Yeah, and this desk with this push lever chair. And you've got bin there. And you've got this bench and a towel. And you've got the TV. Let's just check it works. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Right. There you go. Off. And then you got a bottle opener there on the side of the desk, and then you got extra pillows. Presume that is, yeah. There's soft pillows, and then you got hangers, and you got an ironing board, and then you got a like dressing table type of area. You've got a stool there. There's like leather effect as well. Double socket hairdryer and the mirror, and then you've got coat hooks, and of course your key card holder. Alright, let's have a look in the bathroom, shall we? Right, just looks a standard Premier Inn bathroom. Toilet roll. Let's see if the toilet's clean. Yeah. Yeah. And then another bin there. Sink. And you got oud, I think you pronounce that. Let me know in the comments if you know how to pronounce it properly. And cedar and amber with organic extracts of oregano and lemon. So that's your natural hand wash. That's a nifty light there. Just figured out with that light as well. It's like, yeah, it's like a nightlight type of so ambient lighting. Shut this door. Yeah, still quite ambient lighting. So yeah. Quite good, that. Alright, and then of course you've got this shower screen. So of course, as I figured out in the Swindon Premier Inn, that's to hold on to. You've got a rainfall shower, and you've got what you got here, lavender and bergamot body wash, and you'd say cedar and amber. Right. I did put a questionnaire, a poll, whether people want me to check the pressure of the shower. So I will do that now. It is a rainfall shower, so I'm trying not to get wet. So yeah, pressure's good. You can see, yeah, bath is clean. You've got your bath towel on your mat, go on the floor, more towels, and a coat up behind the door. So, I said, not much difference, but I paid £43 for this room. So, for the night. So, I got a bargain with this. So, please, oh, before I forget, I've got the centre, the AC here as well. So, but yeah. So yeah, and I said I got got this room for £43 for the night. And if you enjoyed my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. all helps me out, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.